Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to set up moderation in your Discord server. Setting up moderation in your Discord server is essential for maintaining a positive and orderly community. Start by ensuring you have the necessary permissions such as manage server and kick members. Then create a dedicated role for moderators to easily identify and manage them effectively. Now, utilize Discord's built-in moderation features by configuring the moderation settings. Well, to do that, go to the server settings, then enable the community and content filters option to automatically scan and filter inappropriate content. Consider adding a moderation bot like Dino or MEE6 to enhance your server's moderation capabilities. These bots offer features such as automatic role assignments, timed mutes, and customizable moderation commands. Install the bot, grant the necessary permissions, and follow the provided instructions to set up moderation commands and features. And that's how to set up moderation in your Discord server. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.